This is a video demonstration of the patented J+D Fabrication sewer pump changing cart. Today we're going to change an E1 sewer pump. The electric cord has been unhooked, the lift rope is pulled out of the pit, and the ball valve is open, and the pump has been unbolted. Now the operator will pilot the cart onto the pit. Rolls up. The cart self-centers itself onto the sewer pit. The transport shoe is swung out of the way for the lifting, and the electric cord is pulled up and hooked to the bungee cord to stay clear while the pump is hoisted out of the place. He then takes the lifting rope, hooks it to the winch that is on top of the pit through the rope guide. Now the operator will simply use the hand winch and crank the E1 sewer pump completely clear of the sewer pit. One hand will guide the pump through the lip. The pump is now on the cart. It's resting on the transport shoe. The cord is bungeed out of the way. The operator simply secures the cart with a bungee, stores the cord for transportation, and leans the pump off of the pit and rolls it to the pickup. The operator rolls the cart up to the patented hitch that mates to it, leans it in place, latches it. The pump is now ready for transport to the repair facility.